going for a ride. Here we go. Hey guys, Chuck, House of Mopar. Welcome back. There's a thing down at Gateway today, Worldwide Technology Raceway, whatever they're calling it, and it's a bit of a drag strip, bit of a swap meet, bit of a car show. Went last year, I think, or 2 years ago, and it rained, so it scrubbed a lot of the racing. We had to sit in the cars for a while, but you know, so what? Oh, there's a screw on the floor. Yeah, but I didn't stick that in anything. Anyway, I digress. Anyhow, so yeah, I didn't remember it. I wasn't going to go, but it's a local guy that's trying to sort of resurrect a deal in the area. This is about the third year, and Monster Mopar Weekend's been gone 10 years probably now, which sucks, but you know, it is what it is. And he's doing pretty well. The swap meet has gotten better each year, and yeah, I should have loaded up a bunch of crap on my own to bring down there. Maybe next year. Definitely next year. I'll unload some crap. All right, guys. So, yeah, I'm taking the CUDA. Going to meet some of the guys there and go from there. All right. See you in a minute. Well, I'm here. It's starting to rain. You guys see this in the mirror? A couple of CUDAs back there, sitting on yellow, looks like a 70. Silver one. That's pretty awesome. We'll see those guys inside. Well, we're finally in. Long line. I forgot this is an MCA thing, so you know, I've got Chevys and Fords and yeah, look at here. Looky here. That's pretty cool. Let's check that out. Heading for home. Watched a little bit of drag racing. Got some clips. Just basically, who's doing all right? Kind of wanting to die on me. Basically just showing you guys what we're doing. I'm doing, having fun a little bit. Gotta enjoy these things. All right, see you in a minute. I'm back. Yeah, everything went fine. So what that is, I didn't show you guys a lot. I showed you that it's a Victory Nostalgia Super Stock, part of their series. They have 7 meets a year, and 2 are here in St. Louis this year. JEGS Super Quick, they have 10 races. They're 4 in St. Louis, 1 in Bowling Green. I think the other ones are in Indianapolis. There's 1 outside Dayton too, and then this other one. So it's a combination of everything. The local guy that started doing this, I don't remember his name, like I said, but he's piggybacked onto this thing to have, you know, a car show and get the nostalgia guys. I showed you some of their cars, and a swap meet. So yeah, that was cool. It always comes up. It's never advertised. The guy, he advertises this on Facebook, I think. So nobody ever knows. It comes up. I've been there all 3 years, but it's always the same thing. Oh hell, that's today. Okay, yeah, let's go. Next year, boys, my buddies, we're going. We're gonna represent. And what the hell? We all got junk, so let's just get a swap meet spot and pawn off some of our junk to somebody maybe that could use it. Anyway, that's all I got. Had a good time. Got to get the coot out. It needs a little attention. I'll be taking that to Bowling Green for sure. Right there, she is. But it needs tires probably. They're pushing 9 years old. And the back ones are a little thin in the middle, let's say. And yeah, so it was a good time. That's all I got. We'll see you next time. Thanks.